All right, so picture this. You've finally picked out the perfect layout for your kitchen, you've got your dream appliances all lined up, but then you hit this one last really crucial choice for your cabinets. And it's not just about the color, it's about the finish. Believe me, this one decision is going to shape how your kitchen looks, how it feels, and yeah, even how you clean it every single day. So, what's it going to be? The sleek, mirror-like shine of gloss, or the sophisticated, soft touch of matte? It sounds pretty simple, right? But this choice is going to define the very heart of your home for years and years. So in this explainer, we're going to break it all down, everything you need to know to make the absolute perfect decision for your space. Okay, let's kick things off with the option that just screams modern and sleek, the high gloss finish. I mean, if you're chasing that sharp, super contemporary vibe, this is probably where your eyes are going to land first. So what exactly is it? Well, high gloss finish is pretty much what it sounds like, a super smooth, really shiny surface. Its number one job, its defining feature, is how it bounces light all over the place. It acts almost like a mirror for every light source you have in the room. So what are the upsides? Well, that light reflection is a seriously powerful tool. It can take a kitchen that feels kind of small and cramped and instantly make it feel brighter and way more spacious. Plus, because the surface is so smooth and non-porous, cleaning up spills and splatters, it's an absolute breeze. A simple wipe and you're done. But you knew there was a but coming, right? Of course, there's a trade-off. That same beautiful, reflective surface that looks so clean is also a total magnet for fingerprints, smudges, and water spots. Any little scratch can also pop out more because of how the light hits it. And if you've got a really bright room, you might even have to deal with some serious glare. Okay, let's totally shift gears now and explore a completely different vibe. It's time to look at the sophisticated, more subtle counterpart to gloss, the matte finish. A matte finish is pretty much the polar opposite of gloss. It's this soft, non-reflective surface that actually absorbs light instead of bouncing it back at you. And what that does is create a much more muted, calm, and really uniform look across all your cabinets. You know, one of the biggest wins for matte is just how practical it is for real life. Since it doesn't reflect light, it is fantastic at hiding fingerprints and little smudges. Honestly, this is the go-to finish for a busy family that does not want to be wiping down cabinets 24/7. It creates this very even, consistent color and a warm, natural feel that's both timeless and super sophisticated. But there are a few things to keep in mind, because matte finishes drink in the light. A dark matte color in a room that doesn't get a lot of sun can start to feel, well, pretty heavy. And while it's amazing at hiding fingerprints, the surface, especially if it has a little bit of texture, can hold on to grease stains if you don't clean them up right away. So we've looked at each one on its own, but the real test is how they stack up side by side, right? Let's dig into how these two options really fundamentally change the way you see light and space in your kitchen. And this right here, this is the core difference. It's everything. High gloss is like a light multiplier. It just bounces light everywhere, creating energy and this feeling of openness. Matte, on the other hand, diffuses the light, giving you a much softer, calmer, and more grounded feeling. So what does that mean in practice? It means high gloss is an amazing secret weapon if you're working with a smaller kitchen or a room that just doesn't get a ton of daylight. It will literally work for you to make your space feel bigger and brighter. On the flip side, matte finishes really get to shine, so to speak, in larger, open-plan spaces that are already blessed with a lot of natural light. The finish won't create any annoying glare, and it'll give the whole room this chic, uniform, and elegant look. How it looks is obviously important, but you have to actually live with these surfaces day in and day out. So let's get real and talk about the practical side of things, like cleaning and long-term maintenance. You know, there's a funny little paradox when it comes to keeping these clean. Gloss is, technically, super easy to wipe down. A quick once-over with a microfiber cloth and you're good. But you'll find yourself doing it constantly because every single mark shows up. Matte, on the other hand, hides those daily marks like a champ, but might require a bit more elbow grease when you do a deep clean. And what about wear and tear down the road? Well, it's worth knowing that while both finishes are pretty durable, the reflective nature of high gloss means that any little scratches or imperfections that happen over time are going to be way more noticeable than they would be on a non-reflective matte surface. Okay, so with all of that in mind, the big question is, which one is right for you, for your home, your family, your style? Let's pull all this information together to help you make that call. Think of this as your quick little cheat sheet. You're on Team High Gloss if you want that sleek, modern look, and you need to maximize the light in a smaller space. You're on Team Matte if you prefer a softer, more timeless feel, you really want to hide fingerprints, and you've got a pretty well-lit space to start with. At the end of the day, there's no right or wrong answer here. It's not like one finish is just better than the other. They just do different things. The perfect choice for you really truly comes down to your home's lighting, your personal style, and just your lifestyle. So I'll just leave you with this one final question to think about. When you walk into your kitchen, how do you want it to feel? Does your space crave the energy and brightness that comes from bouncing light all over the place? Or does it need that peaceful grounding effect of a calm, quiet surface? Your answer to that question, well, that's what will lead you to your perfect finish.